Let's make Asian spiral cucumber salad. Start by cutting the ends off your cucumbers. Using a pair of thick chopsticks, place it on each side of the cucumber with the cucumber being in the center. Create slits perpendicularly throughout, and while cutting, make sure to cut the cucumbers close to the chopsticks but not touching the chopsticks with the knife. This will help keep the cucumber shape and prevent it from cutting all the way through. On the opposite side of the cucumber, create slits in a 45-degree angle throughout, and this will create a nice accordion shape. And if you want it shorter, you can just cut it in half on the perpendicular slice side. Then place these cucumbers in a medium bowl and set it aside. For your sauce, chop some scallions and add it in a small bowl. Add some soy sauce, gochugaru, sesame oil, chili garlic sauce, mirin, rice vinegar, minced garlic, and mix together. Pour the sauce over the cucumbers in the medium bowl. And mix gently and well together, making sure to spread the sauce throughout each accordion cucumbers. Now it's ready to be eaten. Alright, that's it. Mukja, let's eat!